I wanted to show them something that wasn't an illusion. Something that was real. Something that they could see and touch. Creation is an act of sheer will. Life will find a way.
It is one hell of a ride and a remarkable finale to something that's 30 years, well, 65 million and 30 years in the making.
We can't keep her here forever.
They find her, we're never gonna see her again. We gotta protect her, that's our job.
There are some incredible new actors who've joined the franchise, so That's very exciting.
Humans and dinosaurs can't coexist. We created an ecological disaster.
It makes it so real. I'm like, oh my God, I'm in a Jurassic movie because we're on screen with Laura Dern and Sam Neill.
Yeah, and
Jeff
secretly
Goldblum.
we're always hoping that maybe they would be okay with what we had done with Jurassic World, but them joining the Jurassic World Dominion is like the ultimate validation. It's like not only are we so excited, but it's an affirmation that they were okay with what we had done, which is pretty great.